NBC29 forecast.
Not an overly humid day. Warm temperatures, many of us in the upper 80s, a few low 90s across central Virginia. Right now, 86 at the airport. Winds out of the southwest. Dew points will continue to creep up here as we go into the late week. It wasn't overly humid today. 84 right now at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, a light southwesterly wind. Things are quiet on NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar, and really should remain that way here tonight. As we take a wider perspective, the satellite radar combination, there are some weakening showers back across West Virginia, but most locations remaining dry tonight with mostly clear skies. Temperatures here overnight, upper 60s, low 70s. Tomorrow should be the hottest day of the week and increasingly more humid as well. Lots of low and mid 90s across central Virginia, some low 90s in the Shenandoah Valley. There could be a stray storm that pops up, but most locations dry. So we get into Friday now, temperatures still on the hot side, many of us in the lower 90s, a few more storms in the picture, and then really our attention turns to Saturday. The remnants of what is now Hurricane Laura will be emerging with a front and quickly working across the mid-Atlantic here on Saturday. So depending on the speed of movement and the exact track, we could certainly have some wind, we're going to have some rain, and we could have some severe storms in association with that circulation because we'll be on the east side of things. So things are pretty quiet across our portion of the mid-Atlantic. We're actually on a stabler side of a boundary that's going to lift north here overnight and into tomorrow, and that's going to increase the humidity. This is Laura. It rapidly intensified since last night. Last night it had 90-mile-per-hour winds. Today 145-mile-per-hour winds. It's a strong Category 4 hurricane bearing down on the upper Texas, southwestern Louisiana coast, and you're talking about potential storm surge in some of these areas 15 to 20 feet. Inundation, certainly. The National Weather Service at Lake Charles evacuated, and I hope many people did in the path of this, and that's all going to fan out as it makes landfall late tonight into early pre-dawn hours of Thursday as a destructive Category 4 hurricane, and then it'll work up through northern Louisiana, up into Little Rock, Arkansas, Memphis, Tennessee. Here we are as a depression as we get into Friday afternoon, and then it will accelerate off to the east, taking it across the mid-Atlantic here on Saturday, and then offshore on Sunday. So with a front nearby and the remnants of Laura, we're certainly going to have some rain in here on Saturday. It's the impacts of how much and, again, the severe threat potential. Here we are tomorrow morning, upper 60s, lower 70s, a hot, humid afternoon. We're in the low and mid 90s. Could be a stray storm around, but many of us dry. Then on Friday, a little bit more cloud cover to start the day. A few more storms, but again, not whole widespread coverage. Still hot and humid with temperatures in the lower 90s. And now looking ahead towards Saturday, here's that depression. Will become extratropical as it works across the mid-Atlantic, but it's going to race eastbound. So as we get into deeper Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, there's our chance of rain. We could have some severe storms because we're on the east side of that center of circulation, and then it's quickly out of here as we get into early Sunday. Sunday should be a great day, drop in the humidity. We'll continue to monitor the progress of Laura. Mostly clear, muggy tonight, upper 60s, lower 70s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Still some hot and humid days to finish out the week, and then watching the impacts from the rain in association with Laura and any severe implications. Drier and more comfortable Sunday and early next week.